Hello, judges and everyone watching. We are Team Error 418, and I am Gitanshi Verma, joined by my teammates Vishishka Gol and Sanskriti Karn. We are thrilled to present our project Smart Prep AI. It is a personalized AI powered study and interview coach designed to provide adaptive learning with honest performance evaluation. We identified that current interview preparation tools are generic, offer lenient feedback, and fail to provide realistic voice based practice and personalized guidance.
Hello everyone, I am Vishishka. SmartPrep AI generates adaptive mock interviews which analyzes both text and voice responses with strict scoring criteria and helps us improve by providing curated resources and progress tracker. The system is built using Streamlit and Google Gemini with structured AI evaluation, adaptive difficulty, progress tracking, and downloadable PDF reports.
Hello, everybody. Myself, Sanskriti. Our innovation lies in zero mercy scoring, integrated voice evaluation, personalized study paths, and a lightweight architecture that is easy to deploy and scale. Smart Prep AI helps students and professionals prepare confidently through realistic practice, making quality interview coaching accessible anytime and anywhere. Tackling campus placements or switching careers, our 24/7 coach gives you the honest feedback you need to succeed. Smart Prep today, zero rejections tomorrow.
Let's jump into the live demo. As you can see on our live Streamlit Community Cloud app, SmartPrep AI starts by tailoring the experience to any job role or tech stack. Let's enter full stack development at an easy difficulty level and generate our mock round. Notice our first major innovation dual modality practice. Real interviews aren't just typing. For each question, candidates can type their structured STAR method answer and record their voice directly using the microphone to practice speaking out loud.
Get retrieves the data from the server without changing it. Post sends the data to the server to create or update a resource.
Once submitted, a Gemini powered engine delivers zero mercy scoring. Instead of vague praise, it evaluates answer with brutal honesty on a strict 0 to 10 scale across four dimensions: clarity, technical depth, structure, and use of examples. It pinpoints exact gaps and provides direct coach advice to fix them.
To ensure continuous improvement, our app features an executive performance dashboard. Here, interactive Plotly radar charts map out the candidate's multidimensional strengths, while our topic wise trackers flag zero score areas that need urgent focus. Even better, our AI acts as an automated resource curator. For every identified gap, it generates targeted study links on the fly, from YouTube tutorials to lead crowd practice problems. And when the session is over, candidates can export a professional PDF report card with one click, perfect for sharing with mentors and recruiters. Built with a lean, stateless architecture using Python, Streamlit, Plotly, and Google Gemini, Smart Prep AI scales seamlessly from student campus placements to working professionals switching jobs 24/7. With Smart Prep today, you get zero rejections tomorrow. Thank you from Team Error 418.